Welcome all. In today's lecture, we will discuss how we can perform data transfer from memory to register. I will explain with the help of small source code. So gedit, we are going to create a file name of mr.asm memory to register data transfer. As all of you know, the format of assembly language code, so we are going to start from global section and then moving toward the section dot text, then main function, start, then comment, data transfer from memory to register. So initial move value into BL register from var1, and when we are transferring data from memory to register, we need to put variable name into square bracket. So move in BH the value of variable 2, move into BX the value of variable 3, and move into EBX the value of variable 4. Exit function, move AX with value 1, move EBX with value 0, interrupt 0x80. Now we need to define or initialized variable in dot data section. So var1 contain 0, data bird, db stand for 8 bits containing var2 is also containing 8 bit, var3 containing of 16 bit, var4 containing 32 bit, the code is completed. Now in this program we want to transfer the value stored in variable 1 into register BL, value stored in the variable 2 into register BH, value stored in variable 3 into register BX, and value stored in register 4 into register EBX. So this program demonstrates memory to register data transfer. Now for executing it, first step, compile the program. Name of the program is mr.asm. For compiling we are using NASM compiler. Executable is 32-bit. Output name is mr.o and the input name is mr.asm Now second step, linking. Output file name is mr, input file name is mr.o. Now load the program in GDB. Now first set this assembly flavor Intel. Second step, impose the breakpoint at start. Third step, run. With the help of display function, I want to see the value of register BL, BH, BX and EBX. Register BL, BH, BX and register EBX. Now for executing you need to type next I. So initial register BL contain 11, BH also contain 11 because BL contain 11. You can check it out. BL contain 11. BX also contain 11 because BH and BL is a part of BX register. EBX contain 11 because BL, BH and BX all three are part of EBX register. So next instruction says BH value is 22. So now BX register will contain 22 and 11 and EBX also contain. So when the next step is executed, the value of BH is 22, the value of BX is 22 and 1 and the value of EBX also 22 and 1. Now you can check it out. Now third operation, what will happen? Variable 3 contain value 3344. So when you will perform this operation, the value of BL will get updated with 44 last 8 bit. The value of BH is 33 second last 8 bit. The value of BX will get updated 33 and 44 and the value of EBX is also get updated with 33 44. You can check it out now. 44, 33, 33 and 44. Now last operation we will see in the source code. EBX contain var4. So now the value of BL become 88, the value of BH become 77. Now this part collectively called BX. So the value of BX becomes 7788 and value of EAX become 55667788. Now type next I, you can check it out. So in this program we demonstrated how we can transfer data from memory location to register. Always remember, again, the very important point is when we want to transfer data from memory location to register, always put variable name into square bracket. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment section.